Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm going to be sharing a Dollar Tree haul. I had a challenge presented to me to see if I could put a planner together for $25. So we're gonna count up all the items that I got. My Dollar Tree still has everything for $1. I know that the rollout is happening where items are increasing to $125, which is not the end of the world. But I have three different categories here. I have tools, I have budget stuff, and then I have regular planners and notebooks that we're going to be modifying, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along as I set all of this up. But let's go ahead and get into the haul. So first up, let's go ahead and start with the tools that I got. And I did have to go to multiple Dollar Trees for a lot of these items. Every Dollar Tree is different. Some are neater than others. That's just, it's like a scavenger hunt to me. So I got this ruler. I love the flat edge of it, and it's clear. I got these highlighters and a Sharpie pen. I also got these book rings, this photo frame, excited to DIY this one, and then for adhesive I got some Scotch tape, some Scotch double-sided tape, and glue dots. So these are going to be used in a lot of the DIYs that I have coming up in various ways, but I mean, you can't really do a DIY without some type of tape. So right here we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So still in budget. All right, next up are all of the actual planner goods. So I found this monthly planner, and I have done a DIY with this type of planner before. It is an oldie but goodie, but I'll link it below. Have some other things in mind with it. So it goes all the way to the end of the year. Then there's 2023 planning. Then there's a phone book section. I still find it interesting that after all these years with everything still being so digital, that these still come in standard planners. Then conversion tables, postal abbreviations. I wonder if they would like just eliminate these types of pages and put notes pages. But maybe the people that they think are still buying this rely on that type of information. So that's that. Then I found this phone pocket. This was by, probably it would be in the text section, but I found it by the register, and it is adhesive. So that'll be fun to play around with. Then I found this 2-pack of notebooks. They're both lined. Some bullet journaling can be done with that. Then I found this notebook that can be turned into a planner or used as a gratitude manifestation type of journal. So thoughts and ideas for that. Then this desk calendar that I'm going to be taking apart, and then also this 16-month wall calendar. Y'all, okay. You're probably wondering, Lakia, why do you have a Sesame Street calendar? Well, the options that they had in the stores that I went to for like these actual wall calendars, there was like Peppa Pig and some other ones, and I just thought that the Sesame Street one is one that I'd actually use. And I mean, look, it's so cute, right? It's so cute. And even if I don't end up using the top portion for whatever DIY I'm gonna do, I could use the bottom and it's just fine. So got 2 calendars. Then I got some stickers and rub-on transfers. I'm happy that these have multiple 2s because we're going into a year. You know, we're in a year of 4 2s. 3 2s. Why did I just think it was 2020, 22. It's 2022. So we have 3 2s that I need. for the DIY that I have in mind. And I also got these stickers here, and I may be able to use, no, these are just numbers. I don't know why they say alphabet when they're just numbers. I don't know. So that's that. But these are rub-ons, so these are going to be fun to play around with. Then one of my favorites, I love the wall decals the Dollar Tree has. So much that you can do with it. Don't sleep on the wall decals, okay? So yes, love those. Then there's sticky notes. You can do so much with sticky notes. I went with the Post-it brand. There is a Jot brand, but I also bought things that I'd be using in my own personal stash once I'm done with these DIYs. So I love Post-its. And this is a 2-pack for $1. You get the blue and the green. And if you guys watched my top video here on the channel, my most watched video ever, I took a notebook and transformed it into a planner, and I'm going to be doing it again, but we're going to be doing something different. It's going to be a full out comprehensive planner all in one, y'all. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back, but I'm going to be tweaking it a little bit. So that is that portion. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 plus 8, that makes 19. I'm still in budget, y'all. I'm still in that $25 budget. Let's get to the next category. So last but not least, I have some budgeting stuff. And it's not that much. So I have this little pocket folder here for like a sinking funds type of thing. Also these clasp envelopes, these index cards, these envelopes, the play money, and this little savings box that says treat yourself. They had other ones. I also found these near the register as well. This, it may be at your local store. This may be in either the toy section or the stationery aisle, and then the rest of these were all in the stationery aisle. So for this particular section, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I did it, y'all. I think I stayed within the $25 challenge, budget challenge that I had. So yes, 25 total items. I am super excited to share with you guys what I have in mind. Okay, this, so much stuff, y'all, so much stuff. Okay, all this, but I hope that you can find, and I chose items that I know are at majority of the Dollar Trees that I've gone to. These are not like rare items that you may not find. I know that these items are there. Now the calendars, you may run into an issue in finding like the preset calendars because of the time of year and they roll them out at the end of the year, but that's why I have other options that you guys will find helpful as well. So I'm so excited to get into these DIYs and to be sharing them with you all. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What do you think I'm going to be doing with this stuff? What are your thoughts? I would love to chat with you there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for related videos and so much more. If you are not subscribed, now is the time to do it, because I have so much that I am excited to share with you guys as far as affordable planning and really making a system that makes the most sense for you. I love creating all these different ideas and of course getting your feedback, so please stay tuned. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.